In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the retouching technique.
In order to demonstrate the retouching painting technique, I will create another artwork of an apple. To begin with, I will make a quick sketch in graphite pencil on watercolor paper. For the retouching technique, I will use a small, round brush from Escoda. This natural hair Kolinsky sable brush is quite springy and holds its tip very well. I will start painting with light colors and later on I will continue to darker tones. Retouching is always applied on the dried paper surface. This technique is done with very small brush strokes, or even separate tiny dots which are applied with a small, very pointy brush tip. Because the brush strokes are so tiny, it takes a lot of time to paint an object using this technique. Even though this particular apple artwork is so small, it would likely take around several thousands of brush strokes to complete it. I have to say that, from the very beginning, retouching is not the mainstream watercolor painting technique that every artist uses, because it is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Also, the style of an artwork produced with retouching may not be to everyone's taste. Many watercolor artists prefer painting with wide and juicy, impressive brushstrokes, rather than patiently filling the space with multiple tiny dots.